Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be one that I have seen going around on YouTube a little bit lately, and it is basically it's copying another YouTuber's makeup tutorial, and the person that I'm going to be recreating the tutorial from is Shaaanxo. I don't really know how to do it when people like insert a little clip. If I figure that out, I will do it. If not, I'm sorry, but we're probably just going to watch it on my phone, which is going to be really little, but yeah, we'll get the idea of what we're doing here. So if you want to watch me recreate Shaaanxo's look, and I think it's a one brand tutorial, the Simple Smoky Eye, featuring the Maybelline The Nudes palette, which is this one here. So yeah, if you want to see me recreate this, then keep on watching, guys.
So today I'm going to do a one brand tutorial using Maybelline products, including this really exciting new palette called the Nudes, which is the perfect, just everyday, you know, day to night palette where you can create a nice daytime smoky look, neutral eye look, amp it up at night with the black, the gold, you know what I mean. So the foundation I'm going to use today is the Fitme foundation by Maybelline in the shade 120. I am going to go for quite flawless skin because I'm going to create quite a, not super dramatic, but fairly dramatic eye. It's going to be kind of like a subtle smoky eye. Next I'm going to use the Fitme concealer, and this is in the shade Fair.
That went a bit ahead of me then. So she didn't use a primer in this video, so I'm not going to use a primer either. So the concealer is the Maybelline Fitme concealer, and I actually am using the same shade, 120. I'm pretty sure Shaaanxo used the matte one. I've got the dewy, so we're just going to go in with that one and see how it goes. My hair is actually really annoying me today, really badly. And I have a massive pimple. I think I just covered it up, but I woke up this morning with the biggest pimple on my chin. It's so annoying. Hurts so bad. And of course, like, I squeezed it. I know you shouldn't, but I did. Okay, so for concealer, Shannon used the Maybelline Fitme concealer. I'm using the shade Fair. I didn't even look to see where she put that. Hopefully she just put it underneath the eyes. What next, Shannon? She set her foundation with a Maybelline powder. I don't have any Maybelline setting powder, so I am going to improvise and use the Clara Cosmetics pressed powder in the shade number 3.
I'm going to apply this bronzer, and I have it in the shade Light Bronze. It's the Fitme bronzer.
Again, I don't have that bronzer.
With this. It's a really nice colour.
Alright, I'm going to go in with a different bronzer. It is still going to be a Maybelline bronzer.
I'm going to save my blush and highlight until last.
Okay, so I don't have the Fitme bronzer, but I am going to be using a Maybelline bronzer, and it's part of the Master Contour Kit by Maybelline, and I'm going to be obviously using this shade right here.
So I bought these two eyebrow pencils. I got one in the shade Blonde and one in the shade Deep Brown. I'm just going to mix the two together a little bit. So it comes with the brow side and then a little bully. So this is the Blonde. Oh, this colour is actually really nice.
Okay, another Maybelline product, not the same one, but it's still nonetheless an eyebrow product. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Drama Pomade Crayon. This is in the shade Medium Brown. I honestly absolutely love this product. Without a word of a lie, I use it every single day of my life. Every day. As you can tell, it is well loved. Does normally come like a crown, like it is like a crown. It does normally come with like a point when you first get it. But I have clearly used way too much of it. This is one that I've like repurchased too because I've already absolutely smashed the other one. Used it so often. I cannot recommend this enough. Alright, so I'm just going to go do my other brow. Now I'll go do it off camera. Voila, brows done. It is so cold at home today, hence the hoodie. But sitting here doing my makeup under like these lights, I'm actually getting a bit warm.
And this shade here is called Tough as Taupe. That's what it looks like there. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lids as my primer base kind of product.
Okay, so I'm going to be using the colour Tattoo in a different shade. I'm going in with number 70, Barely Branded, and I'm just going to put that over my entire lid. So it is going to look a little bit different, but hopefully when I put the eyeshadows over the top I can create a similar effect.
So now we're going to go in with the Nudes palette, and I really like this because there are a huge range, well not a huge range, but there's a range of matte, satin, like shimmery colours. There's a bit of everything. So first I'm going to take this shade here and I'm going to highlight with this on my inner corner and on my brow bone.
Hold up, she's got shadow shields on. I need to go put some tape under my eyes, so I'll be back guys. Okay, so I'm going to go take that same shade there. I think that's what she said. And just putting under my brow bone and my inner corner. Sorry if I'm looking down guys. I'm gonna punish as per usual.
And I'm going to take this colour just here. I'm going to use that in my crease as my transition colour.
So I think she said this one here. Let me zoom you guys in.
Next I'm going to go in with this shade just here, and I'm going to use the same brush and just put that all over my lid on top of that base. These two colours that I've used, like the Tough as Taupe and this eyeshadow, are like a match made in heaven. They're perfect with each other.
Oh.
These are really...
Although I'm not having the same colour because I didn't have the same base. I think she said that colour there, right? Sugar. You're going too fast for me, Shan. I can't keep up.
And easy to blend out, which is great. Next I'm going to go in with this shade just here, and I'm going to...
Okay. It wasn't that shade. It was this one. And all over the lid. Oh, it would have made such a difference if I had a different base down. I'm not gonna lie. That base is not the right shade to achieve the same look. It still looks nice, don't get me wrong, but it's not the same colour by any means. I'm actually gonna put a little bit of this shade into, just because I didn't have that original darker base underneath. So I'm going to put that on my whole lid, and hopefully that's going to create a similar look that Shannon had there. I don't know. It's makeup. Makeup's supposed to be fun, not so serious, so you just do you guys. I feel like that colour is so similar right now.
So I'm excited to try it, and I'm just going to use the little brush that it comes with. And
I'm not going to use that liner. Alright, she's doing a little winged liner there, but I am not going to use that liner because I don't have it. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Precise Curvy.
bottom of your arm. You can't see.
Right. I'm not gonna lie guys, it's not great. But it's okay, I'm getting hot. The lights are getting me. The pressure of the wing is getting me.
Bold gold.
Don't have it, we're gonna skip it. We're just skipping it.
This Colour Show eyeliner. I just picked this up. It's a really cool colour. It's in the shade Coralista, I think. It looks like that. And I'm gonna put this on my waterline.
Okay. Let's do this. Oh, my eye looks so bloodshot right now. God, I hope I have enough battery. I feel like I'm taking so long to do this.
An ebony black. And I'm just going to kind of blend these two shades together just so it's a bit more subtle, because I am going to be blending another eyeshadow on top as well.
Okay, so then she's just taking a black liner and then just going back over that red so it's not as harsh. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion. I'm sure that's how you say it too. Perversion. Okay, Shannon, over to you.
And then I'm just going to take a gold eyeshadow from the Nudes palette, and I'm just going to run that underneath as well, just to make that colour tattoo pop.
Just going to go with that gold colour. Just going to run that along with a brush that's not so blendy.
I use some Great Lash mascara, and you guys already know that I really like this.
Me too. Wow, I haven't used this for so long, but it is such a good mascara. I'm not gonna lie, I got something in my eye. See what I did there? Rhyming.
And then I'm also going to put some on my bottom lashes.
Already did that.
And I'm going to pop down some single eyelash flares.
I'm not gonna do that. God, she makes it look so easy.
So that's the eye makeup with the lashes and everything completed.
The blush and the highlighter that she's using, I don't have that either, so I'm going to go back in with the Master Contour Palette, and I'm gonna use... No, I'm not doing it, guys. I'm gonna do another Maybelline one. I'm gonna go the Master Blush Palette. I'm gonna try that one out, and I'm going to... Look, I've already watched this video, so I'm going to skip ahead a little bit and do the bit of the blush and the highlighter, but I'm going to highlight first. And I'm just going to take a bit of that and run it down the nose as well. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera. Ooh. And then I'm going to take the blush, this one here. I'm just going to put a little bit on the apples of my cheeks. Or a lot, whatever. You do, you guys.
I'm going to use a little bit of a kind of concoction of colours, slash two colours. This shade is from the matte range, and it's in the shade 7. And then this is from their Colour Sensational range, like the nude range. And this is in the shade Brazen Beige. So I'm going in with the matte shade first.
I'm going to go in with two Maybelline lipsticks. I'm using the ones that are closest to what Shannon used in that video. I don't have the exact shades, but I would say that these two would be the closest match. So I'm using this one in matte 7. I'm going to put that one down first, and then over the top I'm going to go in with 745 Peach Poppy. I actually love this matte shade, like I use it so often. Then I'm going to go over the top with that Peach Poppy, which it's not going to be the same colour, but you know what though, that is a really pretty combination.
You guys enjoyed this look. You've
I
seen
do.
my nude look, so now I dare you to do nude. Have an amazing day and I'll talk to you soon.
Okay. Shaaanxo, you dare me to do the nude look, and I have done it. I've tried to recreate yours as much as possible. Mine doesn't look anywhere near as good as yours, but you know what, I tried. Okay guys, so that is the completed makeup look. Trying to attempt to do a tutorial based off one of Shaaanxo's videos. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big old fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much. And I want you to always remember and I want you to always remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, so just do you. Until next time, catch ya.